In this video we're going to be putting together a venison barbecue, canned, ready to go. All you have to do is pull it out of the can, add your favorite sauce and buns or coleslaw or however you want to perform it from there. That's what this recipe will be. Easy venison barbecue. In this recipe you will need venison cut into long strips. I like a bit of a long pull on the strips, about as long as the jars. Thinly sliced onions, salt, pepper, liquid smoke, cumin, chili powder, a little bit of beef bouillon, and I like my dried habanero crushed up in just a pinch in each jar. We'll go from here. So this piece is from the ham. It's what I call the football roast. I don't exactly know what else to call it, but it's one of the roasts out of the hams. And again, you're going through and you're trimming off all of that blue skin. Underneath that blue skin is the tough part of the meat. I took a little bit of a heavy slice that time, but that's the way it works. So, like I mentioned in my other videos, I don't get too uptight about too much of the blue skin. You can see that in the other videos too. I do some of the cleaning, not all of it. Cutting the pieces into long strips with the grain. The pressure cooking process will get that meat to tenderize nicely, and it'll pull nice into strips. All right, into each one you throw the spices, some broth, then meat and onions, and just a dash of the habanero. Some salt too into each one. Thinly sliced onions into the bottom. Meat on top of that. And the spices. It is out of the pressure canner. It's still boiling down, but getting settled down. Tops are already sealed up, but looking pretty tasty. It's been a couple of months since hunting season, and I need a quick lunch today. I'm going to go ahead and open a jar and see the product. As with all homemade canning, do a quick inspection of the jar. Still good. Seal is good. Detent in. No unusual colors. Listen for the telltale pop. Pop. Inspect the seal and the lid. Quick smell. Oh, it smells good. Now I'll pop this in the microwave. So I'm watching my carbs a little bit right now, so this makes a perfect low carb lunch. But I also like a couple of different styles of barbecue. I'm going to avoid my normal sugary barbecues for the low carb style. You can see how this breaks up, shreds. I like a couple of different kinds of sauces, but since I'm doing a low carb, I like a vinegar base sauce, and this is 0 carb, I believe, yeah. 0 carbohydrates. Tapatio has a nice kind of a habanero flavor that I like a lot. And what I'll be avoiding today is the stubs. This is one of my go-tos for beef, beef only. And I'll be avoiding that because that is 6 grams of carbs per 2 tablespoons. Actually, that's not too bad, considering. I think I'll have a little bit of that. So I'll pour that on. And then directly enjoy. Now that's a good lunch. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed the food. If you like the video, I'd ask you to click and subscribe. Many of you may or may not know that YouTube has changed the rules for us little guys like me. I've got to get my subscriber numbers up. Please check out the channel, Teach a Man to Fish. There will be plenty more to come. It's things that I hope you find interesting and enjoy while I enjoy tinkering with the things that I do. Again, thank you for watching. Check out my channel, Teach a Man to Fish.